All right, we're here with Tom today, and Tom's about to start his treatment with Dr. Davis. Now, Tom, you have both shoulders that's causing you problems. And how long have you been like that?
About 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
That's not good. And I know your discomfort level is like a 10 plus.
Oh, yeah.
Because your whole life is below you from your waist down. There's nothing you can do above your waist because of your shoulders.
Correct.
Okay. All right. So, have you seen any other doctors for your shoulder?
Yeah, I've seen 2 different doctors, 2 orthopedic surgeons.
Right.
They did x-rays
Right.
and CAT scans. They said they didn't see anything, but they wanted to do surgery.
We don't know what the problem is, but we're going to do surgery.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound good. All right, Tom. I'm going to have you do those couple exercises we had done before. So palms at your side. And then I want you to lift your arms straight out as high as you can go. Do both arms at the same time. There you go. There you go. How high can you go?
Not bad.
Yeah, I can see the pain in your face. Okay, slowly put your arms back down. Okay, so let's get both arms. Try to get those elbows up at a 90-degree angle.
Not bad.
Okay, move your arms out like this and try to rotate up.
That's it.
Okay, and rotate back down. Okay, all right. Now I'm going to have you turn around. Now, with the right arm, how high can you go up your back?
Not bad.
Okay, and with the left arm?
Not bad.
Okay, all right, that's good. All right, turn around for me. And I know one of your things on your list is you want to be able to pet your dog. So let's get you taken care of so you can pet that dog, okay?
Okay.
All right. We're back with Tom. Tom's finished his first treatment with Dr. Davis. So, Tom, let's see what you got. Arms to your side. How high can you lift those arms up now? Both of them at the same time? Yep, there you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
That's it.
You're getting up. That was much better than before. And you're still going. See if you can get them to go together. Tom, look at that. Look at that. All right, slowly put it back down. Holy cow, Tom, they're over your head.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so arms up at a 90-degree angle. Put them up in front of you like this. Try to rotate up. That has improved. Look at that.
That's it. That's
And go down. That's it. You're doing wonder. Go back down. And try to keep those elbows up and rotate down this way. There you go. Sweet. Good job. Okay. All right. So, Tom, turn around for me. How far can you reach up in the back? That's gotten much better. All right, now you won't have no problem putting that belt on now.
No. It still hurts a little bit, but it's moving better.
It's moving better?
Yeah.
Now, I know you were at a 10 when we started.
Yeah.
What do you think the pain level is now?
About a 7.
It's about a 7, so the
Six or
pain's
6
coming
or
down.
7, yeah.
And we've gotten a lot more range of motion.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
All right, we haven't even done therapies yet.